I'm Arsha and I will work at INC's 1094. Today we are discussing the experiment number 4 CPU scheduling algorithm. So we can go to the programs. The first one is implement the CPU scheduling algorithm using C++, FCFS scheduling. Now we can go to the program. So this is the program. First we have given all the header files and the main we have given in integer. The variables in integer n, burst time of 20, turnaround time of 20, average waiting time equals 0, average turnaround time equals 0, I, j, waiting time of 50. It will print enter total number of process and enter process burst time. In a for loop, we are given I equals 0, I less than and I plus plus. After every execution, the I will be incremented. In cout, it will print p of I plus 1 and waiting time of 0 equals 0. In a for loop, we have given I equal 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. The word waiting time of I equals 0. In a for loop, we have given a j equals 0, j less than I, j plus plus. Waiting time of I plus equal bursting time of j, and it will print process burst time, waiting time, and turnaround time. In a for loop, we have given I equals 0, I less than, and I plus plus. Turnaround time of I equal burst time of I plus waiting time of I. Average waiting time equal waiting time of I. Average turnaround time equal turnaround time of I. It will print P of I plus 1, PT of I, WT of I, turnaround time of I, and it will print average waiting time and average turnaround time. Now we can run this program. So given 3, I'm getting 24. So we got the average waiting time as 17 and average turnaround time as 27. Now we can go to the second question. So the second question is SDF. The second question is round robin scheduling. Now we can go to the program. So this is the program. First we have given all the header files and we have given the variables in integer I, j, and ti remain, flag equals 0, time counter, wait time equals 0, turnaround time equals 0, 80 of 10, BT of 10, RT of 10, and in cout it will print enter number of process remain equivalent. In a for loop we have given I equals 0, I less than, and I will be incremented after execution. It will print enter the arrival time and burst time for process. Arrival time of I and burst time of I, remaining time of I equal burst time of I. It will print enter the size of the time slice. So we have to give time quantum. It will print process burst time, waiting time, and turnaround time. In a for loop we have given I equals 0, Ti equals 0, remain not equal to 0. If RT of I less than or equal to time quantum and RT of I greater than 0, it will print Ti plus equal RT of I, RT of I equals 0, flag equal 1. Else if RT of I greater than 0, it will print RT of I minus equal time quantum, Ti equal time quantum. If RT of I equals 0 and flag equals 0, it will print remain decremented and it will print N I plus 1, BT of I, Ti, and waiting time equal Ti minus 80 of I minus BT of I, turnaround time plus equal Ti minus 80 of I, flag equals 0, and it will print N. In if loop we are given I equal N minus 1, I equals 0, else if 80 of I plus 1 less than or equal to Ti, I will be incremented, else I equals 0, it will print average waiting time and average turnaround time. So now we can run this program. So I'm giving as 3. I'm giving the size of the time slice as 4. So we got the average time as 5.6667 and average time around time is 15.667. Then we can go to the next question. So the next question is priority CPU scheduling. We can go to the program. So this is priority CPU scheduling. At first we have given all the header files and we given the variables in integer pt, burst time of 20, p of 20, waiting time of 20, turnaround time of 20, pr of 20, ij and total equals 0, pos 10, average wait, average turnaround time. It will print the total number of process. It have given n. If loop I equals 0, I less than n, I will be incremented and it will print the burst time and priority of process. Burst time of I, print PR of I, P of I equal I. In for loop, it have given I equals 0, I less than n. I will be incremented after every execution. Pose equal I. In a for loop, we have given j equal I plus 1, j less than n, and then j will be incremented after every execution. And in if loop, we are given PR of j less than PR of pose equal j. Temp equal PR of I, PR of I equal PR of position, PR of position equal temp. Temp equal bt of I, bt of I equal bt of position, bt of pos equal temp, temp equal p of I, p of I equal p of s, p of s equal temp. Waiting time of 0 equals 0. In a for loop we have given I equal 1, I less than n, I will be incremented after every execution. Waiting time of I equals 0 and if loop we have given j equals 0, j less than I and j plus plus. Waiting time of I equal pt of j, total equal waiting time of I, average waiting time equal total by n, total equals 0, it will print process priority, T-burst time, waiting time, turnaround time. In a for loop we have given I equals 0, I less than and I will be incremented after every execution. Turnaround time of I equal burst time of I plus waiting time of I, total equal turnaround time of I. Will print NP of I, PR of I, BT of I, WT of I, TAT of I. Average turnaround time equal total by N. It will print average waiting time and average turnaround time. Now we can run this program. So here I'm giving as 5 processes. So we got the average waiting time is 8 and average turnaround time equal 12. Now we can go to the last question. So the last one is step scheduling. So we can go to the program. So here is the program. Here we have given all the header files and in the main function we have given the variables in int and burst time of 20, waiting time of 20, turnaround time of 20, average waiting time equals 0, average turnaround time equals 0, ij index of 20, I temp. It will print enter the number of process we have given up to n. In a for loop we have given I equals 0, I less than and I plus plus. It will print enter burst time for process and burst time of I, index of I equal I. In a for loop we have given I equals 0, I less than and I plus plus, j equal I, j less than and j plus plus. And if loop we have given burst time of j less than burst time of I, it will swap bt of I and bt of j and it will swap index of I and index of j. Waiting time of 0 equals 0. It will print burst time, waiting time and turnaround time. In a for loop we have given I equals 0, I less than and I plus plus. Waiting time of I plus 1 equal waiting time of I plus burst time of I. Turnaround time of I equal waiting time of I plus burst time of I. Average waiting time equal average waiting time plus waiting time of I. Average turnaround time equal average turnaround time plus turnaround time of I. It will print index, burst time, waiting time, and turnaround time. It will print average waiting time and average turnaround time. Now we can run this program. So here we can give as 4, 6. So we got the average waiting time as 7 and average turnaround time is 13. Thank you.